Today's video brought to you by Plate 14, Jake Swanson's camp near Hall, Potter County, 1902. What's up, everybody? Alright, so for my short time in the woods, I've noticed that there's certain things you can do and can't do with certain species of hardwoods and softwoods that are found in my area when it comes to hand cutting. So in this video series, I'm going to share with you some of the tips and tricks that I was either taught, learned from trial by error, or watched on other videos and picked up on in my style of hand cutting. So hopefully you guys enjoy these videos, and if you follow along throughout the whole series, maybe there's a little something you can use or maybe not. It's up to you guys. So I hope you all enjoy, and stay tuned for many more videos to come. Thank you.
What's up, everybody? It's getting late here on a Friday afternoon, but I think we got some time to get you another little species specific video. So welcome back, everyone. There it is. There's the culprit. Big old black cherry. So that's better. How you see that? See that? So first thing about cherry. Cherry likes to split. You see that real goofy fork there? I bet you that splits no matter how I lay it. So we are going to come down into here. Can you guys see that mess? Holy wow, look at all that. What a disaster. The struggle is real. Look, there's my truck. It means I'm getting close to the end. So I only got about 2 acres left, and it's about the most horrendous 2 acres. So enough of that. The first thing, this tree, the reason I'm choosing this one, it doesn't look like it has any red rot in it. I'm hoping if it does, it's just minimal, so I can show you what I like to do. Black cherry loves to peel slabs. It'll barber cherry easy, it'll peel a slab easy, and if you don't nip that sapwood, it will definitely peel. Sometimes it comes up the trunk, sometimes it goes out the root spurs. The worst times, let's put it this way, about the only time you can really get away with it is in the fall, not cutting sapwood. It seems like all through the summer and then into especially late winter, early spring, about the time we're getting in now, boy, it just peels like crazy. I like to punch the heart when they're big enough. We don't get too many great big ones anymore. I don't get to cut too many great big ones that aren't hollow or ugly or whatever. I'm trying to put this somewhere. I know as soon as I go to cut this, the sun's going to come back out and it's probably going to blind you. So let's try it. I'm going to point the camera down the hill a little bit. That way it kind of shields from the sun. So let's go ahead and put this on the ground. See if we can keep it from splitting. Hey, we didn't split it. How about that? I left my plugs a little big because I was worried about it sitting down. I definitely could have took some more out of it, but you see I got a little bit of fiber pull, but it was short. Great big cherry, the fiber pull seems to shear off like this. The smaller the trees, the farther that pull will go up the tree. Stringier it is. That's a really good log. That's one of the better cherry I've cut in a while. It's only got a little bit of dent right there in the very, very middle, and that's, I don't think that'll qualify as defect. So that'll come out in a cant. All right, sorry the camera died. I got another cherry. It's not as big as that last one, but this it'll do. It's got wicked head lean, so here, let me show you the head lean. It was just cold, the camera shut off. That was yesterday. So see the head lean, double, might split, might not. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut the notch this one out, bore it, and if I get enough space, I will clip the heartwood. So hopefully it breaks and rolls and don't split, but I will see what happens. Hopefully this works out. I forgot to split my camera holder. I don't know. Alright, here we go. Hopefully the camera don't shut off on this one. Check my fuel situation first. Alright, I got enough. I got enough. Look at that, didn't even split it. Wasn't a very big cherry, but it was nice and sound. I didn't want to try to do examples on one that was all full of red rot. See, I clipped that sapwood there, and I clipped it there. Left myself a decent trigger, because it had a lot of head lean. A nice clean stump, nice clean butt, no fiber pull. If I was cutting this on another job, you'd have lumber material here, pulp material out there. All right, so this wraps up cherry. Hopefully that guy, sorry, cherry dust in the mouth. It was real bitter. This wraps up cherry. So hopefully that works good for you. The big things to remember with cherry is always clip that sapwood, and if you can, punch the heart. The smaller trees will be more stringy, pull more fiber, whereas the bigger ones will break off a little easier. That might just be because of the weight of the tree actually crushing the hinge a little bit. Not sure, but those are just tendencies that I've noticed. Thought I saw something spying on me, and but I hope that works out for you guys. And like I said, that's just how I do it and things I've noticed. Take from it what you will. Almost wrapped it up. That's all I got left. Over and out.